So, hello everyone. Today is Sunday morning, and I am here in the park. And just I am sitting on the ground. You can say, yeah, I'm sitting on the ground, and people are doing their daily activities. I can show you. Everyone is busy, bro. Everyone is busy, and if you are not, then please try to make yourself indulge in any kind of activities. Yeah, some people are too looking around me, looking at me, but still now I have left everything away. Like I have lost all the stage fright, and even I don't have any shame to record my video in public. They will not feed us. They won't feed us when I will be hungry. They won't treat me when I will be ill. Then how do then why do I care about that? Why do I care about them? I have to improve myself. I have to work on myself in every perspective in a better manner so that in the future I will be able to sustain any kind of good opportunities in this. You can see that people are passing by me, but still I am recording myself. This is what I am trying to build the confidence in me, and it all will happen just because it all will happen just by the hard work that I should have to put in me. Today is Sunday, so let's talk about yesterday. The thing that I planned with me have been completed, or it was left uncompleted. So yeah, I am delighted to tell you, to inform you that yeah, I have done what I have promised with me yesterday. So it will be now pumping up for me. You can say that I had crossed the stepping stone, because for day one it would be quite tougher for anyone to do that activity, but when that activity will be in your accustomed knowledge, then it will be quite okay for you to just go with the flow. So for that people are just meeting and all. So yeah, day one is the tougher thing that you have to make on your own. Okay, how energetic people are here. They are meeting with each other. Oh, sorry. Actually, that excitement of that old man. Of course, they are I think they were planning to do kind of a meetup together. So that's why they are planning about the event and all the location on which they will meet. So yeah, this is the stage where everything will fade away, and you don't have to do anything with it, and you have to just enjoy and kind of relax and chill pill. But before that, the hustle is the one and only one thing that every should have to be in their life. If anyone will not hustle, then definitely he or she gonna regret later. Actually, I have watched through the reels today in my Instagram account that you won't regret hard work. You won't regret hard work, but you will definitely regret if you will waste your potential untouched. What does it mean? It means that if you are unlucky guy, unluckily or maybe unfortunately, I'm not saying that it will happen to you, but if in case it will happen with anyone, then you will feel like that after 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, or any stage of your life, then you will feel like that I should have done the hard work, because the only regret that will be left on that time is that you should do the hard work. You have time at that time, you have proper time, you have ample of time at that time, in your youth, in your prime time, but you have chosen to waste it in other domain, in other cause, and that will definitely repent you every single time. So bro, please. And you all know that you are enough capable to do anything. We are in our youth time, we are in our youth stage, we are in our prime time. We can achieve anything, we can do anything just by our discipline, just by our consistency. No matter how far we are from our goal, but still we will do, definitely we can do definitely everything. This is our self belief, and self belief comes from the promises that you made every single day and fulfilled it on a prior basis. That will definitely boost your confidence and ego also. You should have to keep your ego, um, yeah, you should have definitely like keep your ego to push yourself to do the work, because if you have no ego in you, then you will not push yourself to do the work, and maybe you will not do in your life. For someone, ego is the most important thing to sustain in their gameplay. Like the cricketers have the ego against the player, like they will do the rage bait against the player. This is because they want to compete at a best level as they can. That is called ego. If anyone will say that you can't, then you will tell by your result that I have done, I can know, I have done, bro. Just see. This day will definitely come, but for that we have to do the regress. We have to just sacrifice everything and just give all our time, all our dedication, all our commitment to one thing, that we have to be successful in our life. That's it. And let's wrap up today. And the thing that I have planned today, definitely I'll do that thing. Okay. Yeah, meeting soon. Bye. And there is something for you in next month. So please stay tuned. It will be revealed by next month. Yeah, please take care. Have a nice day.